gotta try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like...
Hi guys, Alina is here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited and grateful for you to be watching my videos, and today I have something super exciting to share with you guys. So today I picked up my very own and my very first Louis Vuitton bag, and I cannot believe this honestly right now. So super surreal, but I'm extremely grateful. So I wanted to show you what I got and also tell you a little story. 3 years ago, I would probably tell you you're crazy if you told me I'd be just going into the store like casually on a Tuesday and like buying myself a Louis Vuitton purse. So what I want to say is I'm a big believer in the law of attraction, in manifestation, in, you know, the energy flow of the universe. I think that all the thoughts that we are putting out there, they materialize in one way or another. Good thoughts and bad thoughts. So good energy and bad energy tend to find their way back into our life. Whatever we put out there, it comes back to you. So that's what a lot of people are saying, you know, go build a vision board, think about all the things that you really want, and sooner or later they will materialize in your life. The thing about the law of attraction and manifestation, you really have to believe it, leave it, be grateful for it before it actually happens, and to be open to possibilities and opportunities when they present themselves in your life, and just grasp them and run with them. I'll tell you a little story. I remember it was probably around 5 years ago. I lived in a small town of Saskatoon back in the day, and I remember walking in the mall, and one of the first luxury stores that opened up there was Michael Kors. And I remember walking into the store. At that time I was a stay-at-home mom. I did not really work. I just started my makeup artistry business, so I was not making a lot of money. I was just getting started. I was investing so much money over and over and over again into my business. So I remember walking into that Michael Kors store, and I was like, oh my gosh, a $500 purse, like that is not even real for me. Like $300 boots, oh my gosh, that's too much. I remember walking out of that store though, and I remember thinking, one day I'll be able to get into that store and buy whatever the hell I want for no particular reason, not because it's my birthday, not because it's whatever, Christmas or something else is happening. And you know what? I was just really open to opportunities, I guess, and when Monat came into my life by storm, I was not looking to add on a different business. I was not looking for an opportunity really, but I was open. I knew I needed something, and that something actually came in a box of hair care products. So I grasped it, I ran with it. I really saw the vision, I really saw the opportunity. And 3.5 years into this business, I'm up leveling. So not only I was able, throughout the business, throughout these 3.5 years, I was able to afford a lot of Michael Kors things. Like literally, my husband is like, we need a bigger house to just put all your purses and all your like everything, like all your clothes that you've accumulated in the past 3 years. We just need a big house with a big closet, like a walk-in closet or like a separate room, which I already have a separate room for all my clothes, but that's a different story. I'm like, do you see I tend to babble a lot? I do. But anyway, so I'm up leveling now. I have reached the level where I can actually treat myself to things like this, which I never thought would be possible for a stay-at-home mom and a struggling makeup artist, and especially in the COVID times. But you know what? I decided, you know, it was a payday yesterday. I decided, why not? I'm just going to go and treat myself to a Louis Vuitton bag because I earned it. I worked really hard and I made things happen. So if you are wondering, you know, maybe you just started this business, maybe you're thinking about starting this business and you think, is it possible? Is it really possible to make money? Yes, anything is possible. You just need to work hard and to really believe in not to lose the vision and put those goals on that paper and work towards them. So if whatever you put out there in the universe, it's going to circle back to you. So if you think bad, negative thoughts, they're going to come back to you. If you think happy, positive thoughts, and you always, believe in the things that are going to happen, they're going to happen. So, okay, I honestly have not even unboxed it yet, so you guys are going to see it first. So, oh my gosh, this packaging is so beautiful. And I was really torn between a few different options for bags, so I chose this one, which I'm going to show you. I didn't want a huge bag because my kids are older now and I don't need to carry diapers anymore, thank goodness. Okay, so let's just open it. This box is so pretty. So we're just going to open it. Okay, so it comes in this little canvas bag that says Louis Vuitton on it. And I chose this style. It also came with red, but I don't tend to wear a ton of red. I know it looked amazing too. Like honestly, I could have bought everything in that store, but we're starting with just one. So here it is. This is the purse I got, and it also comes with a strap. So what I liked about this particular bag is that it is extremely versatile. So if you wear it like this, it's perfect to like go out to a cocktail party or like a restaurant. It has just enough space inside. There are like 2 compartments in there where you can throw in your wallet or your keys or like a makeup bag or literally anything. But it also comes with this strap, and I like that it has the red color on the inside and the brown on the outside. So it just kind of makes the bag a little bit more interesting. So if you put the strap kind of like that, it becomes this crossbody bag, which I really like. I love to wear crossbody bags because they're just so comfortable. So you can just wear it like, like a regular crossbody bag, and you can wear it with a pair of cute sneakers and it's going to be super casual, like everyday bag. But then also this strap is adjustable, so you can make it shorter. There are little details here, like there are little clips here, so you can make the shoulder strap shorter. But then it's also, you can adjust it even further. It kind of slides down, so you can just like unbutton. Super simple. You just adjust it. There we go. And it turns into a cute shoulder bag. I actually read a little bit about the Louis Vuitton bags and how they're made and what makes them so special. First of all, they're handcrafted. A lot of energy, a lot of effort goes into every single Louis Vuitton bag. Then the bags are taken and basically dropped a certain amount of times, like I don't remember exactly, but like from 600 to 1,000 times the bag has to be dropped from a certain distance. And it also kind of resonates with me a lot because in your business and in life, you are tested so many times. Any business is basically like a roller coaster of anything, ups and downs and emotions and everything. So it kind of resonated with me a lot. And also, what happens to the bags that are not sold? They're not discounted. You're not going to find them in a store like Nordstrom Rack or anywhere else. They're actually burnt. Like, this is kind of sad, but I guess that keeps the brand high end and something to strive for. And there's also a certain amount of bags made. Like some of them are super limited edition. There will be like 1 or 2 in the world. So yeah, like to me, this bag represents all the hard work, all the effort, all the dreams, all the goals, and that basically anything is possible if you set your mind to it. And just the beginning of something new, just the beginning of a new chapter in my life, and dreaming bigger and making bigger goals and setting higher standards and no limits, like literally not putting limits on myself. And for a lot of you, it's not going to seem like, oh my gosh, is that an accomplishment? She got herself a Louis Vuitton bag. But for me, it kind of does. As an immigrant to Canada, We literally came to Canada about 9 years ago, and starting your life from scratch and having 3 kids and being, you know, a stay-at-home mom and also a makeup artist. But then COVID hit, so I was not able to work for the past 7 months. I think it is kind of an accomplishment that I'm able to just go out and buy something like this. So all I want to say to you guys is dream big. Never downgrade your dreams to fit into your reality, to fit into your box. Think outside the box and be open. If an opportunity presents itself in your life, maybe it's the sign, maybe it's the universe telling you, okay, you need this. Something needs to be done, something needs to be changed. And if nothing changes, nothing changes, right? So it has to start with you. It has to start with your mindset. It has to start with your heart and your belief and your openness. And sometimes change is super scary and something new is super scary. But like I said, if 3.5 years ago I didn't step outside the box and I was not open to that opportunity and I did not learn something new and I didn't step outside my comfort zone, I would not be here sharing this little prettiness, is that even a word, with you guys. So hopefully you found this video a little bit useful. Hopefully you found some inspiration in it, maybe a little push wherever you are exploring yourself, in whichever direction you're going, whether it is Monat business, if you're following me for Monat, whether it's in any type of career that you're already in, or maybe you're considering to start a new business or explore, and you feel, just go for it. If your gut is telling you that you need a change, you need something, or maybe that you need to work harder in the field where you already are, just do it. Do not wait for it, because nobody's going to do it for you. We only have one life. We only have as much time as everybody else, 24 hours a day, and we choose how to use this time and which decisions we're making. So thanks so much for watching this video. I love you all, and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.